Welcome back, everybody. The question today is, do these molding miter snips by Crescent actually work? The short answer is yes. In my opinion, they work incredibly well. Price point, we're talking sub $35. That's after taxes, I believe. Quality, pretty high. The manufacturing quality on this, from first look, I really think it's just a great tool right out the package. It's got really good grips. For anybody with larger hands, what I really enjoy about this feature is it's got a little trigger grip here, and my pinky's not sliding off the back. So I get 2 points of leverage, kind of control by pulling it, just like a firearm here, the trigger, or what you don't want to do with a firearm, but maybe with a tool, is actually be able to control left to right. And then my pinky's not sliding off, so I really get that downward leverage. Every component seems to be made of a high-grade steel. Blade comes factory sharp, pretty lightweight, and the soft grips, of course, are nice for not blistering. Now, we're going to dive straight onto this video. We are cutting full 3/4 quarter round in this. However, I've also cut shoe molding, which is about twice as easy because it's about half the size. So let's dive on into the video and see what happens. So right out the get-go, what I want to say is that the first cut, you kind of want to use two hands. It requires a little bit of pressure on full quarter round. But if you get an easygoing grain direction and you're getting the rhythm, one hand is no problem. You do need to get your measurements exact on the first cut. If you have to take off an 1/8 inch or less, boom, just like that, it just deflects and it shears off. And I really don't like that about this tool. You really just need to be very accurate on your first cut. If you have to go back and shave anything off, it is not like using a miter or a chop saw. It does not have the RPMs, speed, or precision. The precision comes on the first cut, so get your measurements straight. So here I'm doing inside and outside corners just to kind of test this tool out. In a closet we had to redo tile in. And, you know, full transparency here, my inside corners were just not that great. The miters were not clean, and that's actually my fault, not the tool's fault, because I overcut. I had to come back in, recut, and it was deflecting. So I had very open inside miters, as you can see right here. But that's okay, because on this project, you know, I ended up going back and redoing it just to get it right for the client. But it caulked out fine anyways on the outside miters, and the long runs were, you know, well, it is what it is with shoe mold. So all in all, would I recommend this product? Yeah, absolutely. I think for, you know, a tool under 35 bucks, you can't beat it for really fast install work. Maybe you don't want to pack out your whole kit. Maybe you don't have power. Maybe you're just putting in sub 15 linear feet of shoe or quarter and you don't want to get all the big tools out, and that's totally understandable. Things I don't like about it, like I said, if you're cutting less than an 1/8 inch, it just becomes a gigantic bummer. It doesn't want to seem to cut anymore straight down. It wants to deflect and leave an open miter, especially on those insides. Outside miters, incredibly clean. Very thrilled with those. I think they were a great performance. So, would I recommend it? Yeah, guys, I think this is a phenomenal tool. I really do. So check it out. If you have questions about it, comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you guys have not already, subscribe or give it a thumbs up if you like the video, because we're going to keep doing content. I'm going to try, I say this loosely, try and do a tools day every Tuesday where I review a tool that is under $100, starting with this one right here. You guys, I hope you're enjoying whatever project you're working on or making progress on it. Again, thanks for coming out and checking out this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you next time.